Jai Srimannarayana. Namaste. Welcome to Shri Vishnu Sahasranamam, Meditation, Affirmation and Story Track. Today we will be meditating upon the names and qualities of Sri Mahavishnu from the 58th Slokam. Let us sit comfortably, relax, to feel connected. mahAvarAhaha Namaha. Om gOvindaha Namaha. Om sushENaha Namaha. Om kanakAngadee Namaha. Om guhyaha Namaha. Om gOvindaha Namaha. Om gOvindaha Namaha. Om guptaya Namaha. Om chakragadadharaya Namaha. mahAvarAhaha gOvindaha sushENaha kanakAngadee guhyaha guptaschakragadadharaha. Let's continue to remain in meditative state as we chant these affirmations. May I be willing to expand my awareness. May I understand that bigger the challenge, greater is the awareness that is required to deal with it. May I see the divine in the sacred texts. May the divine ornaments point me to the divine. May I be attracted towards the divine through its beautiful form. May I relish the majestic form of the divine. May I know that the divine cannot be contained in any form. May I be grateful to the Acharyas who have extolled the divine and made him accessible to us. May I feel protected by the divine weapons. Let us now enjoy the Kathabhinaya for the 545th name, kanakAngadee, the one who is ever adorned with aprAkruta ornaments.
Once, while Srimannarayana was in Yoga Nidra in Parkadal, the cosmic milky ocean, he appointed Garuda, his vehicle, to guard his gates, since his regular security guards were away. At that moment, Virochana, the demon king, arrived at the gate and asked to see the Lord. Since Virochana was Prahlada's son, Garuda granted him entry to the Lord's inner sanctum. After a while, Virochana came out carrying something in a closed basket. Garuda assumed that it was probably a gift from Srimannarayana. However, within minutes, he heard Srimannarayana's voice urging Garuda to run after Virochana, who had just stolen the Lord's divine diamond crown. Garuda swiftly flew to the Patala Loka, fought fiercely with Virochana, and recovered the crown. As he was on his way back to Parkadal, he flew over Vrindavan and noticed a beautiful, charming little boy. Being enchanted by the baby, Garuda felt that it would be fitting to place the precious crown on the baby boy's head. And lo, the crown fit the baby perfectly. Being very pleased with himself, Garuda returned to Parkadal and showed his empty hands to Srimannarayana. Legend says that the Kal Garudan, Garuda made out of stone, in the temple called Nachiyar Tirukkoil in South India, depicts this story of profound devotion shown by Garuda to baby Krishna with his outstretched arms. Back in Vrindavan, Yashoda Ma noticed baby Krishna flaunting the beautiful crown and questioned him. Baby Krishna replied that a huge eagle flying over him placed it on his head. Worrying that this might attract more danger to the baby, Yashoda Ma donated the crown to the deity of the Yadavas in a local temple, and lo, the crown fit the deity perfectly. Tradition holds that this deity was Ramapriyan, who later came to Melkote as Cheluva Swami. Through the years, the diamond crown has remained the breathtaking centerpiece of the annual Vairamudi festival in the Melkote temple. The same diamond crown which fit the majestic Srimannarayana in Parkadal also fit baby Krishna's head perfectly in Vrindavan, and it also fit the head of the deity Ramapriyan in the temple. How is this possible? How could a single ornament fit each of the different forms so perfectly? The only answer to this profound mystery is the miraculous nature of Lord Srimannarayana's divine ornaments. They resize and fit every form of Srimannarayana with absolute perfection. kanakAngadee is one who is ever adorned with aprAkruta ornaments such as armlets. Since Srimannarayana is the one who is ever adorned with aprAkruta ornaments like armlets and the divine crown, he is known as kanakAngadee. Om kanakAngadine namaha. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu.